Once upon a time, a packaging batch almost shipped yesterday. Daniel, a quality assurance specialist, reviewed final records before release. He paused at repeated minor packaging deviations across several batches. Each deviation seemed insignificant, already corrected quickly by operators on site. But this was the third occurrence this quarter alone here. Production insisted everything was under control and documented properly already. Still, something about the trend felt wrong to him today. He pulled historical data from the packaging line archive system. Numbers showed tiny variations growing slowly over months unnoticed previously. No single event triggered a formal investigation until now, though. Instead, teams fixed symptoms and moved forward every time routinely. Daniel knew repeated mistakes signaled deeper system failures beneath surfaces. He opened a corrective and preventive action file quietly himself. The room grew tense as questions intensified among supervisors present. What exactly caused these small recurring deviations in packaging operations? They calibrated machines repeatedly without lasting improvement during recent weeks. Daniel traced readings back to a filling sensor near labeler. Its measurements drifted microscopically beyond acceptable tolerance daily unnoticed initially. The drift never spiked enough to alarm the operators directly. Yet it nudged batches closer toward specification limits each time. Replacing the sensor immediately stabilized packaging performance across all batches. But Daniel did more than swap hardware that afternoon deliberately. He documented root cause and systemic risk within CAPA records. Corrective actions fixed today's issue affecting released product immediately fully. Preventive actions protected tomorrow's batches from silent failure ever again. In GMP, real fixes prevent problems before return again ever.